Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen waffle cone. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off with a curve at the top for the top of Pusheen's head. Then from the end, let's curve it up for the ears, and then all the way down. And let's do the same thing on the left side. Next, let's hop inside and draw the face. Let's start underneath in the middle and let's draw a curve down, over, and back up. And the same on the right and on the left. Now let's hop down and draw the mouth with two curves. And then one more curve underneath. Next, on either side, let's draw a circle for the eyes. And then let's color them both in black. Next, on the sides, let's add the whiskers. Let's draw two curves on the right here, and two on the left. Next, let's move down and draw the arms. Underneath on the left, let's draw a curve towards the center and back up. And the same thing on the right for the other arm. And that's it for Pusheen. Now let's draw the waffle cone. We'll start on the left side a little bit further out and let's draw a curve up and in. And the same on the right. Now from the ends, let's draw the shape of the cone with two angles down. And now let's close off the bottom with a curve. Now let's hop back up to the top, and from the left line, let's draw bumps all the way down on an angle. And then from the top right, let's draw two bumps down. Now let's add the pattern to the waffle cone. Let's start on the top right section, and then from the points, let's draw angles down. And then one across. Now let's do the same thing in the bottom section. From the points, let's draw angles down. And now let's draw three curved lines going the opposite way. And that's it for this cute Pusheen waffle cone. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!